How to fix if NFC is not working in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. First of all, turn on NFC. Open settings, scroll down, click on connections. Now here you will see NFC and contactless payment. Now turn on this button. After turning on this button, turn on NFC and contactless payment from your phone. Now go back. After that, restart device. Swipe down, open quick setting panel. Click on power off button icon. Click on restart. Again click on restart. Restart your phone. Now go back. After that, check update apps. Open Play Store. Click on your profile. Click on manage apps and device. Click on updates. Now here you will see update apps. Select app that you want to update. After selecting app, click on update. After click on update, selected app will be updated from your phone. And if you want to update all apps, then click on update all. After click on update all apps will be updated from your phone. Now go back. After that, software update. Open settings, scroll down, click on software update, click on download and install. Now here you will see update option, and if you want to update software, then click on update. After click on update, your phone software will be updated from your phone. This is how you can fix if NFC is not working in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching this video.